Right and good. I don't know if you got an angle on him yet. You see him? My drag set really loose. It's a big Walter.
Is it a walleye? It is. You got him? Oh my god.
Oh!
Woo! Oh my god.
Here we go. Team Shake and Bake out for the first time this year. Got ourselves a nice walleye. First walleye of the year. Jigging.
Woo!
Big fatty. I'm going to have to estimating 26, 27 inches. Got him on a small.
Let's see what you're using here.
Small little Rapala.
Little jig and wrap.
It's called the puppet minnow.
Look at the size of this fish.
Just a
My
big,
goodness.
big walleye.
The belly on that thing.
Just set up camp a little bit ago. Been jigging for maybe 10 minutes. And this is the first pig that we've got. Caught this guy. About, what, 23 feet of water? 24 feet. Just a beautiful fish. What do you say? Should we release him back?
You bet. We'll measure him up and get him out of here. We're
All
rolling.
right.
Here we go.
27.
Catch and release.
Going back in. Nurse him back to health a little bit. There he goes. SBNation.com, baby.
SB Nation.